Welcome to B2Net Code channel. Guys, in today's video we are going to see how to install a GNS3 on a Windows 10 machine. So for that, let's go to Google. Here we can type GNS3 download. Okay, we will go to GNS3 company website, not to any other third-party website. So let's go to the first link that we got. Okay, it says incompatible software. Okay, what we can do, we can download Google Chrome. I don't have Google Chrome on my virtual machine, so let me quickly run setup. Otherwise, we can download GNS3 from Bing also. Let's see what happens if I try to. Okay, no thanks. Let's go to this one. Okay, this is also giving me same. It might be a virtual machine problem or whatever. So we can wait for this process to complete. Let me close this. Okay, I'm not going to make this as default. I don't need to sign. तो अभी हो जाना चाहिए. तो we'll have to create the account on in GNS3, right? I already have the account created, so after that it will give you permission to download. Since it is already downloaded on my machine, I'm not going further this with this process. So here is the GNS3 link. Okay, so let's install it. Click on next, next. Okay, let's install GNS3 and virtual machine also. ये हमें फ्यूचर में इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, तो ये सब हम बाद में देखेंगे. तो ये इतना सॉफ्टवेयर हमारे लिए बहुत है, और हम ये VMware वर्कस्टेशन यूज़ कर लेते हैं, और you can use VirtualBox also. So I will use a VMware workstation. Okay, so this process will take some time. Guys, if you are preparing for any networking certification like CCNA, CCNP or CCIE or any Juniper certification, okay, then you definitely must be using this Cisco Packet Tracer and GNS, etc. We can create our networking labs with the help of these two software. We don't need to go to physical routers and switches for their practice. At advanced level we can go to, but for initial levels these softwares are sufficient. तो चलो ये अभी GNS3 VMware वर्कस्टेशन फाइल को डाउनलोड कर रहा है, तो इसको थोड़ा टाइम देते हैं. गाइज ये सभी टूल्स मेरी बेस मशीन पे ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड हैं. बस जस्ट टू शो यू आई एम यूजिंग वर्चुअल मशीन्स. इन फ्यूचर विल बी यूजिंग दी सॉफ्टवेयर्स फ्रॉम माय बेस मशीन. ओके, जो भी हम लैब्स वगैरह बनाएंगे तो हम वो बेस मशीन में से ही मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. Okay, now it is prompting me to install WinPcap. This is also a required component of GNS. We can check this automatically start win p cap driver at boot time. Okay, that finish. Let's go with defaults. Okay, the process completed. Okay, now it's downloading Wireshark. Wireshark is a network monitoring tool used to capture the packets flowing across the wire. So this is also very important tool for network engineers, system administrators, hackers, etc. तो ये वायर शॉर्क स्टडी करना और इसकी फाइल स्टडी करना भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है नेटवर्क इंजीनियर्स के लिए. विल स्टडी and discuss Wireshark also in future. Okay, now it's downloading Solar Putty. Solar Putty is the client side extension to access the machines remotely. Okay, it's giving me error message that it needs .NET Framework version 4.6. So we can install this. Okay, I don't need this SolarWinds standard toolset, right? Okay, now let's start GNS3. Okay, now it is asking us where to run the appliances. So we'll run appliances on a local machine. This is the default location of a GNS where it will be running. So connection to local host, local GNS server is successful, right? Let's click on finish. Okay, it says a newer GNS version is available. If you want, you can install. Otherwise, you can click on no. Guys, that was all about the GNS installation. Whenever we want to start working on a GNS, we can just select a new project and give it any name. Let's suppose we say it, we call it lab 1. Let me close these things. We don't need them currently. So from here we need to this is the location from where we can add routers. Okay, we need to add images for routers. Switches are already present by default, and these are the client machines that are already present. Okay, so in the future videos we'll discuss how to uh, add these router images to GNS for creation of labs. If you like this video, please click on like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments for me, if you have any suggestions for me, please comment below the video. Thank you.